Carolyn Quagliata, who is the founder of the City Pet Doctor. She is here with her fabulous Labrador flannel, just absolutely beautiful, and has two gorgeous little kitties at home that could not make it today, Leroy and Jackson. So welcome to the show, Doctor.
Thank you for having me.
Love your animal print, I must say.
Oh, thanks.
And love the idea that you have set up this practice, tell us about it, where you'll go into people's homes. What a great, great idea.
It's a Manhattan-based house call practice, and just like you said, I go to people's homes and treat their pets, and I find this is a wonderful way to treat animals. The first reason is because it's very convenient for my clients.
Absolutely.
And the second reason is, in general, animals just tend to be much more comfortable in their own environment. It's a much more pleasant experience for them to be treated at home.
Great idea. Absolutely love it. Now let's get down to business and let's talk about this diet business, because this, I mean, I've had dogs for 100 years, and it's just always been an issue. What should you feed them? How much should you feed them? You go to the store and there are so many different foods to choose from. So really, where do you begin? What would be the best starting point? What do you think basically each dog or cat really needs to have?
Well, the important thing to remember is that there's not one specific diet or brand or flavor that's good for every dog. The first thing that I'd like people to do is to read the label and look for recognizable ingredients. If you don't recognize it, it's probably not good for your pet. The first thing, the main ingredient should be a protein source. Avoid any food that has grain, because dogs don't digest grain well, and cats definitely don't digest grain well at all. The carbohydrate sources that we're looking to see, potatoes are an excellent carbohydrate source. They're high in B vitamins and some other very important minerals. Also, oatmeal, barley, brown rice are all great carbs. So if you see a diet and the first ingredient is corn grain or cornmeal, not a good diet.
Not a good diet, okay.
And unfortunately, a lot of the commercial dog and cat foods out there, the ones that are most popular, are actually not good for your pet at all. So that would be...
I guess it would be like us eating junk food.
Exactly.
That's why they like it,
exactly.
like it so much. Okay, so that's a good one. So you want to read the label, so make sure you know what's in there.
Exactly.
Also, you have 5 other key tips that I want to get to. You suggest maybe giving raw vegetables as snacks, and we're going to show a little example of that. You suggest adding fatty acids.
Yes.
Maybe a good multivitamin. We've had people come on the show with that. Also, maybe make your pet a good home-cooked meal once in a while.
Absolutely.
Probably a nice little steak, they wouldn't mind. And supplements, you think that's a good thing?
Yes. There are certain animals that have specific needs that we need to address. An older arthritic dog that would benefit from having a glucosamine and chondroitin supplement.
Okay, right.
Or a dog that has chronic GI issues, they may benefit from additional probiotics.
Also, we talked about the raw vegetables. Now, some dogs don't like them. You brought something today,
I
so we're going to try it on flannel.
I brought some chopped up sweet potato.
See, now that surprises me that they would even want to eat that.
Yes, it's actually, I mean, they're sweet. Also, carrots are a very good snack because they're higher in sugar.
Come here, flannel. Let's see if you like it. So you cut that up. That's just a regular sweet potato.
Yes.
Not cooked or anything.
Not cooked or anything.
And obviously, your baby likes it.
She does.
She's looking really good and healthy too. So that's a really good tip. And especially, I should tell everybody that flannel is 11, and she looks absolutely fabulous.
Yes, exactly.
Doctor, folks can get in touch with you at www.citypetdoctor.com. And what is the number?
It's 917-439-2097.
Thank you so much for those wonderful tips.
Thank you for having me.
Very helpful. And thank you, flannel.